Imagine launching a drone that fits in your palm, shoots cinematic 8K 360 video, and flies so smoothly it feels like you're inside a video game. That's the level we're talking about today. What's up, tech explorers? Welcome back to PureRtech, the place where we test the coolest gadgets on the planet. If you love next-level drones, RC machines, and futuristic toys, hit subscribe right now and join the squad, because this lineup is wild.
Let's start in the sky with the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle. This isn't just another foldable drone. It's a 249-gram ultralight 8K 360 flying camera built for immersive flight. The first thing that stands out is the 360 capture. Instead of worrying about framing, you just fly and decide your angles later. That's powerful for content creators, travelers, and anyone who wants cinematic freedom. The point-to-fly motion control makes it feel intuitive. You simply point where you want it to go, and the drone responds. Add obstacle avoidance and deep tracking, and suddenly you're flying with confidence, even in tighter spaces. The 10-kilometer range gives you serious distance, and auto-return means it knows how to come home safely. With 3 batteries in the bundle, you get extended sessions without constantly recharging. And the auto-edit feature? That's perfect for quick social media uploads. It's built for people who want pro-level footage without complicated controls.
Now let's switch from air to water. The DEERC Fast Brushless RC Boat is pure summer adrenaline. This thing hits speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour, and you feel it the second you pull the trigger on the remote. Whether you're at a lake, pool, or calm river, the acceleration is sharp and satisfying. The metal servo adds precision steering, which is crucial when you're racing friends. One of the coolest features is capsize recovery. Flip it over by accident? No panic. You can bring it back upright from the remote. The LED lights make it visible during evening runs, which adds style and practicality. With 2.4 GHz control, you can race multiple boats without signal interference. It's not just a toy. It's a fast, controlled, water-cutting machine that turns any weekend into a mini race event. Back on land, things get tactical with the RC tank set. You get 2 1/24th scale Army battle tanks designed for head-to-head combat. What makes this set exciting is the built-in life indicator system. Every time your tank gets hit, you lose a life, and once they're gone, your tank shuts down. That adds real competition instead of random driving. The spray feature gives it that battlefield effect, making the experience feel more immersive. With around 35 minutes of playtime, you can run multiple battles before recharging. It's perfect for siblings, friends, or even adults who want to relive classic military strategy games in real life. The dual set means instant multiplayer fun right out of the box. It's less about speed and more about tactics, positioning, and timing your shots. Then there's something that feels like it came from outer space. The 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy is a cosmic globe boomerang hoverball that defies expectations. You toss it into the air and it spins, hovers, and can even curve back toward you like a boomerang. It's small, lightweight, and surprisingly durable. The glowing blue design makes it look like a floating energy core at night. What makes it addictive is the skill factor. The angle you throw it determines how it flies. Straight throw, curved return, upward spin, it all changes the motion. It's part fidget spinner, part mini hand drone. No complicated remote, no setup, just charge it, toss it, and start experimenting. It's one of those toys that draws attention instantly because people can't figure out how it's floating and returning. For collectors and car lovers, the Diecast 1964 Chevy Impala SS Lowrider in black and gold is a different kind of thrill. This 1/26 scale model captures the classic lowrider aesthetic with detailed graphics and a white interior. The contrast between the deep black exterior and gold accents makes it pop on any shelf. It's more than a toy, it's a tribute to vintage American muscle culture. The detailing on the body lines, grille, and interior gives it display value. Whether you're into car history or just appreciate iconic designs, this model brings that 1964 vibe into your room. It's compact enough for a desk, but detailed enough for a collector's cabinet.
Now, if you prefer modern hypercar energy, the MIEBELY Bugatti Divo 1/16 scale remote control car brings luxury performance into your hands. Inspired by the real-life design of the Bugatti Divo, this licensed model looks aggressive and sleek. It reaches around 12 kilometers per hour, which feels quick at this scale. The 2.4 GHz remote ensures stable control without interference. Headlights add realism, especially during evening drives. The 7.4-volt 500 mAh battery offers solid runtime for backyard races or indoor courses. It's smooth on flat surfaces and responsive in turns. For kids and adults who admire high-end supercars but can't exactly park one in their garage, this is a fun alternative that still captures that exotic feel. Speaking of drones again, the DJI Neo is designed for simplicity and freedom. This ultralight mini drone weighs around 135 grams and features a 4K UHD camera. What makes it stand out is palm takeoff and controller-free operation. You can launch it directly from your hand and it can follow you automatically. Subject tracking keeps you centered in the frame while you walk, bike, or run. Built-in propeller guards add safety, which is perfect for beginners. Quick shots allow you to capture cinematic movements without manual control. It's stabilized for smooth video, so your footage looks clean and professional. It's ideal for vloggers who want quick setup and effortless filming. No bulky controller, no complicated steps. Just lift off and let it capture your moments. Now, let's combine land and water in one crazy package. The 3-in-1 remote control car that transforms into a boat and even includes water gun is built for chaotic fun. On land, it drives like a standard RC car with adjustable speed. Drive it straight into water and it transitions into boat mode. That amphibious ability opens up creative play scenarios. Add the built-in water gun, and now you've got splash battles. It's waterproof and designed to handle wet conditions without stress. Whether you're racing across grass, splashing through puddles, or skimming across a pool, it keeps going. It's one of those gadgets that refuses to stay in one category. It's part car, part boat, part water blaster, and all fun. For those who want a more traditional but powerful drone experience, the DJI Mini 4K offers balanced performance in a compact body. Under 249 grams, it stays lightweight while still delivering 4K UHD video. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization is key here. It keeps footage smooth even in windy conditions. With up to 31 minutes of max flight time on a single battery, you get extended creative sessions. The 10-kilometer video transmission means you can explore farther while maintaining a stable connection. Intelligent features and auto-return enhance safety, so beginners and experienced pilots both feel comfortable. It's the kind of drone that blends portability with serious image quality, making it a go-to for travel and outdoor adventures. Finally, let's talk about something that looks like it flew straight out of a military movie, the MIEBELY RC Helicopter F09, modeled after the UH-60 Blackhawk. This 147-scale helicopter features a brushless direct drive system for smoother, more efficient power. With 6-channel control, you get full maneuverability, including forward, backward, side flight, and rotation. The military styling adds authenticity, and the ready-to-fly edition means minimal setup. For RC enthusiasts who want something more advanced than a basic toy helicopter, this offers a satisfying balance of realism and control. It's not just about hovering, it's about mastering coordinated movement and feeling like you're piloting a scaled-down tactical aircraft. This is what PureRtech is all about, exploring gadgets that turn ordinary days into memorable experiences. Whether you're filming travel shots, racing friends, battling tanks, or just tossing a glowing orb in the backyard, there's something here that sparks that inner kid and inner creator at the same time. Follow PureRtech for more insane drones, RC beasts, and futuristic gadgets. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for the next tech drop.